Hello and welcome to our channel. Are you wary of continually browsing on your phone without earning any money? Well, we have some great news for you. In this video, we will reveal 12 phone-based side hustles that may make you $500 or more each day. Say goodbye to aimless scrolling and welcome to possible earnings. So, if you're ready to maximize the earning potential of your phone, be sure to like and subscribe to remain up to speed on all the newest tips and techniques. Let's begin. Starting with Perk TV. It is the ultimate entertainment money-making machine since it acts like a personal ATM, showering you with cash as you watch your favorite shows and films. Perk TV pays you to view trailers, movies, and advertisements. Plus, it is quite simple to use. Simply sit back, relax, and watch the money come in. To earn even more, keep Perk TV running on various devices and keep them all buzzing with non-stop action. Do not pass up the chance to transform your binge-watching habit into a money-making bonanza with Perk TV. Next is Toluna Influencers. It is a safe haven for those with strong opinions who want to communicate their ideas while also making money. Toluna pays you for your thoughts on anything from products to politics. It's like having a virtual soapbox that you can use to express yourself and getting compensated for it. Furthermore, you will have the opportunity to engage with a community of like-minded individuals who are all about making their voices heard. Want to make even more money? Take advantage of daily surveys, contests, and social media challenges. Toluna Influencers is a goldmine for opinions, which means you're the king or queen of the cash castle. Then there is Udemy. This is your dream virtual classroom. It is an outlet where you can learn anything from knitting to coding without leaving your house. Udemy provides access to over 130,000 courses taught by industry experts. That's like having a personal tutor available at all times. In addition, after you've mastered your talents, you could build your own courses and earn a lot of money. Share your knowledge, establish your brand, and become the next Udemy celebrity. The sky's the limit with Udemy, and the prospects are limitless. The fourth phone-based side hustle is Ibotta. The cashback trend is what transforms your grocery shopping into a money-making bonanza. Say goodbye to the monotony of supermarket shopping and welcome to cashback galore. Ibotta allows you to earn cash for purchasing common necessities such as milk, eggs, and even that container of ice cream that you've been admiring. Simply take a picture of your receipt and cha-ching, you've earned money. In addition, you may earn unique benefits, can recommend friends, and save even more with special deals. Pro tip, for most savings combine Ibotta revenue with retailer incentives and coupons. Ibotta is the wise shopper's secret weapon for putting money in your pocket while you shop till you drop. Next up is Slidejoy. It is an app that compensates you for unlocking your phone. That's right, be paid to do something you already do. Unlock your phone. Slidejoy turns your lock screen into an income generator by presenting hand-picked entertainment, news, and advertisements that you may swipe to make money. This is like holding your own cash register in your hand. Moreover, the earning potential is limitless with bonuses, referral awards, and other surprises. To optimize your revenue, keep your phone charged, unlock it regularly, and interact with the material. Slidejoy is the ideal way to get paid to use your phone. The sixth phone-based side hustle is Nielsen Mobile. It is a VIP program that pays you for doing nothing at all. That's right, you heard it first here. Get rewarded for your phone usage without having to do anything. Nielsen Mobile allows you to join the elite club of market research where your data is worth gold and where you're the king and queen of the fortress. Simply by installing the Nielsen app, you become a member of the network that offers insights to the world's largest brands and businesses. Keep the app running in the background as you charge your phone and watch the money come in. Nielsen Mobile is the most efficient method to get paid for your data. Following that is App Trailers. It is a mobile app that converts your phone into a cash machine. It could be similar to having your own movie theater where you're paid to view trailers and videos of the latest and greatest applications. App Trailers allows you to discover new apps, receive rewards, and have fun while doing so. On top of that, the earning potential is limitless thanks to bonuses, sweepstakes, and other surprises. Keeping the app open, check for new teasers and videos, and sharing with your friends to get extra rewards. It's the best way to earn money while discovering new applications and having fun. The 8th phone-based side hustle is Society6. It's a marketplace where artists and designers can display their skills and sell their work to the rest of the world. It's like having a virtual gallery where you can sell your one-of-a-kind artwork, designs, and prints to a worldwide audience. With Society6, you can turn your creativity into a full-time job while doing what you love. Added to that, with customized items, high-quality printing, and a helpful community, the possibilities are endless. To increase your sales, market your business, develop bespoke designs, and participate with the community. Society6 is the best platform for artists and designers to display their work and gain recognition in the creative industry. Next is 99 Designs. It's another app for designers to display their talent while earning large dollars. With 99 Designs, you can access a worldwide community of businesses and individuals looking for high-quality designs for logos, websites, packaging, and other projects. You may display your portfolio and enter design contests to earn cash prizes and establish your name in the design community. Other than that, with a helpful community and resources to assist you in growing your business, the opportunity for money is unending. To boost your earnings, present your distinct style, deliver outstanding client service, and remain current on design trends. 99 Designs is the perfect platform for designers looking to convert their ability into a profitable business. The 10th phone-based side hustle is qumi. This is an easy way of earning money while surfing the internet. You may make money with qumi by doing what you already do, surfing the web and buying online. Installing the qumi browser extension to begin earning profits for your searches and purchases. Plus, the earning potential is boundless with daily surveys, referral bonuses, and other surprises. qumi is a fantastic way to make additional money with less effort. To make the most of your revenue, keep the qumi extension enabled, search regularly, and complete surveys. qumi is the perfect way to earn money while exploring new products and services online. This next one is appcomma. This is for mobile gamers who want to earn genuine prizes for their favorite games and apps. appcomma allows you to discover new apps, participate in interesting challenges, and earn gift cards for major businesses such as Amazon, Google Play, and iTunes. Also, with daily incentives, referral bonuses, and other surprises, the money-making opportunity is infinite. appcomma is the ideal tool for turning your mobile gaming obsession into a successful business. If you want to maximize your income, keep the app open, complete as many offers as possible, and promote others to use it. This is the best way to be compensated for your mobile gaming abilities while also exploring new applications and having fun. The last phone-based side hustle we will be discussing is testbirds. This app is ideal for tech enthusiasts who want to test the newest applications, software, and websites while earning money. Test cutting-edge technology and offer helpful input to developers while earning financial incentives with testbirds. More importantly, with a wide range of testing jobs available, such as usability testing, functional testing, and exploratory testing, the opportunity for money is vast. Testbirds is a chance to turn your interest into technology into a successful career. To increase the earnings, finish as many testing jobs as possible, offer thorough comments, and stay up to date on the newest tech trends. This is the best way to be compensated for your technical abilities while helping to shape the future of technology. And that's a wrap. We hope you found these phone-based side hustles beneficial and are now motivated to start earning additional money. Remember to use the ideas and strategies we offered to enhance your earning potential. If you have a query or would want to share your own experiences, please leave a comment below. Of course, if you want to be kept up to date on the newest money-making techniques, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We thank you for sticking around and we will see you in the next one.